Best deals. Any automobile, caravan, or boat may benefit from a portable water carrier, chair, tiffin box, and much more because it is movable. Ideal for outdoor activities such as hiking, climbing, camping, emergencies, sports, picnics, and travel. Because it is lightweight, compact, and space efficient, it is very portable. All the product links are given in the description. 1. Water bottle. Material made from plastic, eco-friendly, with good quality. Can be folded into small shape, portable and easy to take. Perfect for outdoor sports, like hiking, camping, fishing and cycling. Each bottle has a hanging clasp, ideal to hang on your bag, waist belt. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Collapsible bucket. Is ideal for small apartments and tight spaces. When not in use, it folds flat, making it perfect for easy storage in a cupboard, drawer, or under the sink. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Funnel. Made of food-grade silicone, BPA-free. No need to worry that the funnel may damage the health of your families. Expand to use, collapse to store. Occupy less kitchen space after folding, easy to store. With it, your kitchen will be tidier. The funnel's durable silicone construction means they can be used at -40 to 250 degrees Celsius, chemically stable. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Tableware. Crafted using premium food-grade silicone, this tableware kit ensures the utmost safety for your baby. It's completely BPA-free, odorless, and gentle on your child's delicate skin. Make mealtime stress-free with non-toxic, hygienic material. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Chopping board. Foldable sink can be used to wash dishes, vegetables, fruits. Collapsible cutting board can be used to cut meat, vegetables and fruits. Also used as a storage basket for storing various foods and drinks, which effective save your money, time and space. Cutting board are foldaway, so they do not take up too much room in your kitchen cupboards, which portable and easy to clean. Multifunctional chopping board designed ergonomic, convenient storage and space-saving design. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Electric kettle. This collapsible kettle could save more space in your traveling package, to make your travel more convenient and less burdensome. You can separate power cord from kettle body. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Stool. Features a large 7-inch stool that helps to keep you steady whether you're stepping onto the step or stepping off. Perfect ideal for the elderly, the disabled, children or any user looking for the perfect step stool. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Water cup. Easily folds down to a compact size, making it ideal for travel, camping, or outdoor adventures. Perfect for carrying in your pocket or bag. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Bottles. Made of 100% BPA-free, food-grade platinum silicone to ensure safe storage as well as no stinky smell, healthy and environmental protection. It can be folded from 8*5 cm, save 50% space. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Gas stove. Made with high-quality water-resistant stainless steel. And this outdoor camping stove comes with its own mesh carry bag so you can easily carry with you anywhere like picnic, camping, hiking, traveling, trip, tour, or other outdoor activities. This windproof butane gas burner is stable and safe because this portable camping stove is having the weight carry food system. This metal primus is having baffles around the gas burner so this baffles reduces the effect of the wind on the flame of the stove. So this camp stove is very usable in outdoor camping cooking. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Tiffin box. It's unbreakable, easy to take, easy to put, easy to operate, durable, silicone material enjoys a certain extent of toughness, it enables water cleaning throughout every corner, can resist up to 230 degrees C when heating in a microwave, also avoid cross smell and bacteria breeding place in the fridge to preserve your food and taste longer, multiple size for your choice separate your food like cereals, fruit, snack, it has friction, not easy to fall when placed on table. Portable and collapsible for home use or travel. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Drying rack. Roll-up dish drying rack can dry anything that has been washed. Resistant to rust, non-slip, durable, glassware friendly, and sturdier than stainless steel racks. Oil resistant, very easy to clean. Can roll up the sink drying rack or cut the rubber to get the size you want, and the stainless steel pipes are detachable, rolls up to fit easily in a drawer or cabinet, let counters free. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Pizza storage container. It can be used not only for pizza, but also for other foods, such as cheese, pasta, pies, sandwiches, vegetables. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Ice cube molds. Sealed lids design which makes it easy to cover ice tray tightly, and perfect tightness of lid, prevent overflowing and keep away from odors in the refrigerator. Take the ice tray out of refrigerator and wait a few minutes, then the ice cubes can be released easily. They can be cleaned in the dishwasher. Perfect for making ice cubes or filling the molds with drinks, fruit, yogurt, jelly, and chocolate to customize your favorite flavor. Made of food silicone, safe, sanitary and quality assured. This silicone ice tray is suitable for use in the temperature range of -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Laundry basket. Made of durable and unbreakable plastic material that can withstand wear and tear. The sturdy construction ensures that the laundry basket can be used for a long time. Plastic laundry baskets are perfect for small spaces. Their collapsible design making it easy to store and transport. Folded when not in use and unfolded when in use. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Water bottles. Crafted from premium BPA-free and food-grade silicone, this reusable water bottle elevates hydration experience. The soft, sturdy material can endure extreme temperatures, making it easy to clean and perfect for carrying ice or lemon. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Cookware set. Made of food-grade aluminum alloy and includes a camping pot, a camping pan, a camping kettle and a portable nylon set bag. The camping cookware can be nested together, lightweight, non-toxic, fast heat conduction, wear-resistant and corrosion-resistant. Fits nicely in a backpack or bug-out bag. Carry this outdoor camping pots and pans set for camp cooking during any outdoor activity, perfect for men and women who enjoy hiking, camping, rock climbing, picnics or other outdoor adventure activities. It is also the perfect camping essentials for gifting to your friends and family. Product link is given in the 17th link.